Okay, I'm going to do a review of the Gen X Global Pocket Hopper. You get them free if you order a KS pump from, I think it's paintballgateway.com. Truly, I think it's a great hopper for pump. Hey, I got it for free. That's a good thing for me. Any budget baller who's looking for a pump, go to Paintball Gateway. They'll hook you up. Should be on the front page. It's going to be the free pocket hopper with purchase of Zone KS pump. A couple things I will say. What the heck is this tail? It makes no sense with the hopper. Doesn't have like your normal lid, but I'm sure you can mod a pod onto here. If you can see, it has like this kind of crack and crevice system. Lid doesn't stay down. You do one dive in the snake. It works pretty well. Doesn't fit your normal pod. I'll grab one quick. Yeah, I just finished my pod video. You open it. It's about the same. The pod's a little bit bigger though. Recommend getting either the Winchester or this if you're on a budget. You can't use your normal Halo speed feeds. It's too big. All around, I'd give it 6 out of 10 maybe. There's better out there, but excellent for the price. Thanks for watching. If you like what you see, subscribe.